Find a comfortable position and allow your eyes to blink closed. We'll begin today by taking 3 big cleansing breaths. Let's take a nice big inhale through the nose and sigh it out. And again. One more big inhale. Now bring your awareness to the crown of your head and allow all the muscles of the crown of your head to relax. Allow this feeling of relaxation to flow downwards into your forehead, your eyes, your cheeks, and your jaw. Completely relaxed. Allow all the muscles of your face and your head to relax, and allow this feeling of relaxation to flow down into your shoulders. Feel your shoulders melting down, and allow this feeling of relaxation flow through your arms to the elbows, all the way down to your fingertips. Feel both arms completely relaxed. Feel your chest relax, your belly, your hips. And allow this feeling of relaxation to flow down through your legs, to your knees, your ankles, all the way down to the tips of your toes. Feeling both legs completely relaxed. From the crown of your head the tips of your toes, feel your whole body completely relaxed. Let go. Now take a big inhale. Let it all go with a sigh. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. If we haven't met yet, my name is Rosalie. This is a short 3-minute meditation, which I hope has left you feeling more relaxed, calm, and tap to that sense of peace within you. If you have a bit longer, perhaps you'd like to try a 5 or 10-minute meditation with me. I post a new yoga or meditation video every Tuesday, so please consider subscribing if you enjoyed this video. And I love hearing from all of you, so please leave me a comment and let me know how you feel. Namaste.